In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Microsoft Planner. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to your plan board. This is the main area where your tasks are organized, and it's where you'll need to start before making any formatting changes. If you're managing multiple plans, just make sure you're inside the correct one so you can edit the right task. Once you're on the board, click on the task you want to work with. This will open the Task Details panel, where you can view more information and interact with the task beyond what appears on the board itself. If you don't already have text you want to format, that's completely fine. You can create it in the next step. In the Task Chat area, type your message. This is the text you'll be formatting. Take a moment to enter the content clearly, because formatting is easiest to apply after the text is already written. If you're using the chat to leave updates, notes, or instructions for teammates, this can be a helpful way to make important words stand out. After typing your message, highlight the text you want to change. Be sure to select only the specific word, phrase, or sentence you want formatted. This step is important because the formatting shortcut will apply only to the text you've selected. If nothing is highlighted, the shortcut may not affect the message the way you expect. With the text selected, press Ctrl and B on your keyboard. This applies bold formatting to the highlighted text. In many cases, when people say they want to change the font in Microsoft Planner, what they're really looking for is a way to make text stand out, and bold is one of the simplest formatting options available in the task chat. If you don't see a dramatic font family change, that's normal. Microsoft Planner doesn't typically offer full font selection like a word processor would. Instead, it supports limited text formatting, and bold is one of the available options for emphasis. So while you may not be switching to a completely different typeface, you are changing the appearance of the text so it becomes more noticeable. That's all you need to do. Open your plan board, select a task, type your message in the task chat, highlight the text, and use Ctrl and B to format it. This is a quick and practical way to draw attention to important updates inside Microsoft Planner.